My name is Danny Vasquez. I had an accident back in 2019. It happened around Halloween. It was a bus accident. I hit my jaw against the back seat of a bus. Back, shoulder, back, jaw. Mostly towards the jaw. I split my lip, my front teeth, and that's it. I don't know what else. A lot of pain. I had tooth sensitivity in the front. My jaw was clicking. The bottom, like every time I opened or yawned, it would hurt, and then you hear the clicking. Through a doctor called Papa's Physical Medical, they recommended me here, and I started coming here. So I've been treating here since 2019, and I had an amazing experience, and now it's great. I feel my jaw not too much TMJ anymore, and I just feel great. I can smile again, I can tell you that. Yeah, my treatment with Dr. Springs and my attorney Shaken, they collaborated real well. They helped me out a lot. The therapies were electrodes, massage therapy, what else? Always checking on my teeth and cleaning and everything. I say let Timeless take care of you, because I guarantee you will have a better experience and healing process.